Uxcell Cuticle Remover Stainless Steel Nail Trimmer Pedicure Art. Stainless steel V-shaped flabellum cuticle trimmer. First push your cuticles back, then run the angled V along them and it cuts off the cuticle skin. Very easy to use. Great nail beauty tool for you. Olymstore 1440 PCS round 1.8 mm crystal clear of flat back. Great. Happy. They are tiny and very real looking. Not plastic. I would recommend these stones to all. Will order again. 2013 newest seller 1 nail box 5 PCS nail marbleizing tool. Dotting drill. I love the nail tools the most. The gems were pretty tiny and did not have much shine, but the tools are cute and sturdy. Crazy Can A4 color nail art manicure crystal glass. I won't buy the old files again. These work great, look great and last a long time. I am going to gift them to family for Christmas. 12 PCS tungsten steel file drill bit set 4. These are fantastically sturdy and perfect fit. The shipping is from China, but was very quick comp. HDE portable mini cordless mani pedi finger and toe. This was part of a good bag item for my daughter's spa party and it was a hit. Nail art stamp template quirky arabesque pattern QA88. Nail plate was etched perfectly with the pattern. I've used it already, and the image picked up just fine. Would highly recommend. 1 PC nail art stamping image plate exquisite arabesque floral. This is one of the coolest stamping plates. I love to color in the stamps, giving them life and vibrancy. You can use them in various ways for creative fun. Stripes and anchor nautical nail art wrap design. I order of these, and one of the ladies at work was almost drooling on them, so I gave her my other set. Came to work, and she was wearing them. 12 colors rainbow round sequin 4 mm shapes nail art. 12 colors rainbow round sequin 4 mm shapes nail art. Will tips DIY decor 39. Stone cute pattern nail art image stamp plates manicure. It stamps and the images are nice. The seller is a hit and miss for a couple dollars. The leaves and petals stamp beautifully. BMC cute peony pink circle nail art stamping plate. So pretty organizer. Mine came with one defective slot, but 1 from 168 doesn't make a difference to me, plus the fact that I bought it with a very good discount over listed price. Overall, and except for the slot, it's so pretty, sturdy construction, good quality, so I happily kept it. Born Pretty nail art stamping template image plate radiating. Arrived timely and packaged well. I have ordered plates from Born Pretty before due to their reasonable prices and quality plates. This is just another cool plate that I can't wait to try. eBoot 3D nail art decorations wheel with mini metal. I used nail glue just to make sure they don't fall. They are not too flat at the back, so you better use something to glue them to your nails. I totally love them though. King Fanchon 2.8 cm DIY nail art stamping stamper scraper image. Love this nail stamper. I'm able to place my images exactly where I want them on my nail. I may have to purchase another one as backup. I own a couple more nail stampers and one of them is from Canad. This stamper from King Fanchon is my favorite so far. BMC 6 sheet clear holographic nail art foil strips. It's hard to tell if the glue is dry or not because it goes on clear and dries clear, but the actual foils are really pretty. 6800 mAh portable charger, 25,000 RPM acrylic pedicure nail art drill. After 1 year used, happy, good price, good product. I would recommend to everyone. Beauty Club's nail art manicure 4-way shiner buffer. Describe 100% brand new and high quality material, foam size 16.8 1.8 2.4 cm. Color as the picture show. Random package 2 nail art manicure buffing block sanding.